Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Hi, we the team crew of Amittees. I am Keshri Goyal, Vidya Devi Jindal School, Hisar, Haryana. And here with me, I have some of my classmates.
Hi, this is Diksha.
Hi, this is Isabella.
This is Leher. This is Linaisha.
And last but not the least, this is Pravika.
We visited the enchanting place Jim Corbett, which is located in Ramnagar, Uttarakhand. We bring to you one of the latest edition of Terra Talk, in which we are going to deliver our content in the form of a talk show, and we'll share with you our journey in Jim Corbett, Ramnagar.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
So chalo ji, let's start. I thought a great journey from VDJs to Jim Corbett, but how was yours, Isabella?
In all my thoughts and words, the journey was exhausting, exhilarating, and enjoyable altogether. Yes, I did sleep throughout, but it has become a good memory. Remember the jungle safari of Jim Corbett National Park? What are your thoughts about it, Dikshadi?
First of all, it was very tiring for me to get up early at around 4 o'clock after having such a tiresome journey. But also, the excitement of seeing a Royal Bengal tiger got me out of bed and into my shoes. However, my excitement drained out as soon as I realized that I'm not lucky enough to see a tiger.
शायद टाइगर कुछ ज़्यादा ही शाय था.
But the biodiversity of the area inspired me to conserve the nature.
Do you all even remember the museum we visited?
Yeah, the Jim Corbett Museum. It was very big, interesting, and dhamakedar. Especially the theatre and the forest at night show. And also, we saw the preserves of animal skeleton, like tiger, and heard the voices of some birds, which were pre-recorded. But can you tell me, Keshvi, what did you find eye-catching there?
The thing I found the most eye-catching was the theaters. It was amazing to see the theaters in a 3D style, in which many animals like gorilla, monkey, panda felt like they are in the same environment as ours. And also the forest night show was worth to be in. It was very good, but also being the person who is scared of dark, it was not easy for me to be inside it. But the view of the different animals with the voices in the dark eradicated the fear.
Speaking of mandirs, how was your experience at Hanuman Dham?
Yes, darshan to nahi hue, but I was happy to be there. I too enjoyed the prasad a lot. The best was when we saw the Durga and Shiva Mandir. I left a sigh of relief as soon as I reached up the slope. You, Pravikadi, I think I left something.
Yes, we saw the one and only bedazzling Kosi River that runs all along the Jim Corbett as well as Uttarakhand. Every corner we went, we could see the traces of the river.
Until India realizes that wildlife is an asset, the killing will go on. A country's fauna is a sacred trust, and I appeal to you not to break your trust. Quoted wisely by Jim Corbett.
We give thanks to our dear Principal Ma'am as well as Administrator Sir to give us the opportunity to travel the roads of Uttarakhand. We would also like to thank our two guiders, the team of EdTerra. We would also like to thank our teacher in charges. We also thank the audience for being patient listeners and listening all throughout. Thank you.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.